In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a form in Typeform on your computer. We'll move through this process slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to expect before you permanently remove a form. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your PC. Any modern browser works fine, and it helps to close extra tabs so you can focus on the task. Next, head to typeform.com by typing the address into the URL bar and pressing enter. Once the site loads, look for the login option, usually at the top right. Sign in with your regular account credentials. If you use multiple accounts or workspaces, make sure you're logging into the one that actually contains the form you want to remove so you don't accidentally delete the wrong content. After you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Depending on the version of the interface, you'll either see a section called Workspace or something labeled My Forms. Both lead you to the same place, the list of forms in your account. Click the option you see to open your collection. If you manage more than one workspace, confirm you're looking at the correct workspace name near the top of the page. You can also use the search bar to quickly locate the exact form you plan to delete. Once you've found the form, don't click into it. Instead, move your mouse pointer over the form's card on the list. When you hover over it, you'll see more controls appear. Look for the three dots icon, often called the More Options menu, usually in a corner of the card. Click those three dots to open the Actions menu. From the menu, select Delete. At this point, take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct form. Deleting a form removes it from your account, and depending on your plan or settings, it may not be recoverable. If you're unsure, consider double-checking the form title and previewing the card details before you proceed. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm deletion. Read it carefully and then confirm to finalize the removal. The form will be deleted and will no longer appear in your list. If the page doesn't refresh right away, a quick browser refresh can help update the view. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a form in Typeform. Remember, if you aren't completely sure you want to remove something, it's always worth pausing to review the form name and workspace first so you only delete exactly what you intend.